Hey everybody, your friend from My Learning Center. This checklist I have made is all about early bird setup and mailing schedule. Here is a quick overview of checklist for early bird setup and mailing schedule setup that may assist you to launch your online business. Have you an early bird squeeze page set up to collect leads before the launch goes live? Have you a thank you page with a countdown timer and offering something of value? Have you an early bird squeeze page set up to collect leads before the launch goes live? Download this checklist right now by clicking on the link given in description. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. It really helps me.